Hello, Jarger here. Today we're going to be doing a quick video on how to customize a banner into your terminal. It's pretty simple really. All we're going to need to do will be to download Figlet and another one called Toilet. So what we're going to do is download them now. So first off, we'll just type in the usual apt-get install Figlet and then apt-get install Toilet. Once installed, we're just going to quickly type in toilet -h just to get a basic list of the options. Right, we're just going to go through a few of the options. At the top we have F for font, which is pretty simple to work out what that does. You just choose the font you want to use. Next one down is directory. That is just specifying a directory of a font that you have downloaded. Next one down is render mode. That gives you a few options on how you want the text to be displayed. For instance, full width or overlapping. The full width will be the full length of the line that you've written in, or overlapping, you can make it overlap one another. Next one down is width, so you can limit the amount of letters you can have in one row. Next one down is term width. That's pretty simple really as well. All that is it will stretch itself to the length of your terminal size. Now the next one is the important one, is filter. So you apply a filter which gives you a couple of options. When I mean a couple of options too, which will be gay and metal. We will look at the two different colours of them a little bit later. So another thing we'll need to do will be we're going to quickly look into the filter list to give you some more options. So to do that, we're just going to type in toilet -f list. Oops, I forgot the minus. So here we've got some options which I don't think I need to go through. They're pretty simple to understand what they do. So now we know the options that are available to us. So what we're going to do now, from your user directory, we're going to type in ls-a. Now in here you should see a .bashrc file. That is the one we're going to want to edit. So we're just going to type in leafpad.bashrc. In here we're going to want to scroll right down to the bottom. You'll see a couple of echoes. You won't need Figlet or Toilet to use these ones. You'll just type in echo double quotes and what you want in between them to display. So at the bottom we have Toilet. We are using the filter metal. We are using the font big, and we will be implementing another filter called border, which we want to be metal. I'll just give you a quick example of echo. Just quickly type in echo double quote, hello, this is a test. Once that's done, we'll just quickly save. We'll go over, open a new terminal, and right at the top you'll see hello, this is a test. So it's pretty simple to do the echoes. Let me just quickly remove that quickly. Now we're going to mess around with the toilet settings and show you a few little bits and bobs on different combinations on what will happen. So in the toilet bit, it's pretty simple. We've stated that we're using toilet. We've wanted the font to be metal, so we've put it as font big with metal in front of it. For the second bit, we've used a filter, a border, so the filter is going to be a border, and then we wanted that coloured as metal. And then after that, in the quotes, as you already know, you just put in what you want to be displayed. So we're going to quickly change metal into gay for the border, but it's going to change the text as well. I'm not too sure why it does this, but it does do this. So we're just going to quickly do that and show you what happens. As you can see, not just the border has changed, the text has changed, which is a bit of a shame. So if you wanted to do a combination of metal as the text and gay as the border, it doesn't seem possible as far as I know. So what we'll do now is quickly just show you, if you do not state a colour at the end of it for the border, it's pretty sure you'll be able to guess. It's just going to be the standard text colour. So we'll just quickly do that now. As you can see, where there's no border colour, it's just reverted to the default text colour, which in this case is green. I would recommend playing about with the settings, even though there isn't many settings, to be fair. It's rather simple. There's a lot better ones, well, a lot more complicated ones out there with more features and stuff like this, but for me personally, I'm more than happy with how it is at the moment. Thank you for watching. I hope this has been helpful.